Hi, this is Irshad. I Siddiqui. I'm wearing a new floral shirt which I've just bought recently. I'm flaunting it. You can have a look at it. Nice, right? Okay, yes, I forgot. Sorry.
Hello.
Yes, so she is the beautiful Jain girl. Okay, her name is Pooja Shah, and she's an anchor. And yes, it's nice to meet her. So yes, I've been interviewing a lot of celebrities and a lot of famous people, a lot of people who achieved something in life. But then I thought that might as well we can talk about her. So Pooja, how long have you been anchoring?
I've been into anchoring for the last 5 years.
Okay, that's great.
That's great.
So
A big journey of life.
5 years.
Start.
5 is my lucky number actually. So good job.
Wow.
Yeah. So how old are you, by the way? Okay, skip this question.
I'm just 18 years old. That's it.
Okay, my viewers, I have to be silent for some time because yes, of course, it's bad manners to comment on the age of the girls. All right. So now, just tell me how has it been?
Okay.
How has it been doing anchoring for 5 years? How have you felt?
Anchoring is always my passion. From childhood, I've been into dramas, arts, direction. So I was into a job, but that was not suitable for me.
Okay.
So every time I used to go for anchoring. ना किसी भी घर का function हो, तो मैं अपना mic लेके flaunt करना शुरू. So this is what I am into. I love my job. I love making people laugh, entertain, playing games, and make a pretty chill climate.
That's pretty nice. I have a question, Pooja.
Okay.
As you know that in this industry,
Yeah.
the demand or maybe the requirement for female anchors is much more than a male anchor. I mean, now also like in the groups or wherever we come across,
Okay.
the requirement for female anchors are much more than male anchors, right?
Yes.
So, don't you think here there has to
It's
be
a
some...
bias because I don't think it should be a male anchor or a female anchor because it's a work and everything is dependent on the performance. So whether it is a female anchor or a male anchor, you have to give your best. I don't think, but you know, clients have a certain requirement that we need a. I don't think so. I am against it.
So, okay, that's really nice. Thank you
Yeah.
so much for supporting us. like
I always
male anchors.
support being an anchor, supporting a co-anchor, whether it's a male or a female. Everyone should get a platform
Yeah.
for all and a good exposure.
Thank you so much. So, summarizing this, so do you think that the people who come out with requirement for anchors, they should not just specify female or male, they should go as per the as per whoever they like or whoever fits the bill?
Yeah, as if you know, I have my own personal experience where I was doing an event for Hypercity.
Okay.
And they wanted a female anchor.
Yeah.
And then I, convinced them that Irshad is there, he's a good male anchor. But then he's like, नहीं मुझे female ही चाहिए. मतलब सर female मेरे में कोई फर्क नहीं होता
वैसे
है.
इरशाद कौन?
Irshad हमारी co-anchor.
Oh.
Glowing apple. I call him glowing
Thank you so
apple.
much.
So I have convinced him it is not about being a male or a female. It is being about how do you perform, how your brand is exposed in front of the people, and there he will make a good job.
Okay, Pooja, that has been really nice of you. Thank you so much that you understand the plight of male anchors also, and you understand anchors in general, and you have this kind of a viewpoint. I think if more and maximum people have this viewpoint that an anchor is an anchor and it should not be biased on the basis of sex, then the society will be much better and everyone will get distributed
Obviously,
work.
yeah.
But honestly, I don't feel jealous that the female anchors are getting more work because I think the more the females grow, okay, that's good for the society. But at the end, I think, it's about the requirement of the client. Okay, but then yes, people, all the viewers who are watching me on Facebook or maybe on YouTube or other mediums, I want to tell you that Pooja Shah is a fabulous anchor and she has been, obviously, that she has been anchoring since 5 years. So if you need her for corporates, for weddings, for any kind of anchoring services anywhere, maybe in Bombay or across India
Also,
or overseas.
if you need a dual bandi, jugal bandi, we both are there
Yeah.
to make you lattice and much more giggles.
Yes, absolutely. So whenever you need her and you don't have her contacts, you can contact me on my YouTube or Facebook, and yes, the query will get passed on to her. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Let's say love you to all our viewers. We love you all.
Love you too.
Bye-bye.
Love you to the society. Share love so you get love and always be peaceful.
Absolutely. Thank you so much.